You know, I saw Michael yesterday. Oh, really? I went to the lake to get a sip of water, obviously, and he was also there. And he's like, you should come to my cave. And I'm like, come to your cave and do what? Hieroglyphics and chill? I'm not doing that again with you, Michael. And he's like, no, relax. I want you to come over. I'm gonna go hunting and gathering, and we can have a really nice dinner, and I'll start a fire, and it'll be so romantic, and blah, blah, blah. And I'm just like, what was that? I don't know. What was that? I don't know.